Hi, I'm Reva with Quality Sewing and Vacuum, and I have an event coming up that you're going to love because I know after everything's been going on this fall, you deserve a one-day sewing retreat. Well, we have one for you coming up October 15th, 16th, and 17th, and it is going to be fabulous. You're going to be doing two separate projects. It's an all-day class, but you're going to do two separate projects. One is focusing on bag making techniques along with decorative stitches. You're going to learn how to make boxed bottoms, put in zippers, and all sorts of fun things. Also, you're going to do free motion quilting and everything on that project. And then you're going to do a quilted project, and you're going to learn ruler work and more free motion. So it's kind of like getting everything all in just one day. Now on the 15th, we're going to be in Olympia, and on the 16th of October, we're going to be in Tacoma, and on the 17th, we're going to be in Bellevue. Now this is very limited. It's one person per machine. We provide the machine for you to use. We're going to give you snacks, the kit's included. You're going to get lunch. It's going to be fabulous. So you relax, come and have fun. But since it's so limited, you're going to want to make sure that you sign up today, because otherwise your spot will be gone. So don't let that happen. Sign up today.